An eSIM, or embedded SIM, is a digital SIM card built into your device, eliminating the need for a physical SIM card. To get an AT&T eSIM QR code, ensure your device is compatible. This includes iPhone XS or later and most Android devices from 2018 onward. You'll receive the QR code when purchasing a new plan, adding a line, or transferring service. Access it through the AT&T prepaid app, My AT&T account online, or via email and SMS from AT&T. Prepaid users can find codes at AT&T stores or online portals. The process emphasizes digital handling over physical SIM swaps, which reduces fraud risks. Have your AT&T account information available to verify identity and speed up the process. AT&T's online portal and mobile app simplify activation with AI-driven interfaces. Once you have your AT&T eSIM QR code, activating your eSIM is simple. First, make sure your device is unlocked and connected to Wi-Fi. Go to Settings, then Cellular or Mobile Data, and select Add Cellular Plan. Scan the QR code or manually enter the details if scanning fails. Follow the prompts to download the eSIM profile. This embeds the AT&T network credentials securely on your device. eSIMs use encryption for data protection, allowing remote management like suspending service. Unlike physical SIMs, they support multiple profiles for dual SIM functionality. Activation success rates are high, with minimal need for customer support. If issues arise, AT&T provides troubleshooting guides via their app and website. Post-activation, verify your service by making a test call and checking your data connection.